Hi folks, welcome to Tweefers Tech. Yes, this is the Galaxy S23 Ultra. This is not a review today, we're going to be looking at cases. I've only had this phone for a day or two, so it's still a little bit early for me to say whether it's a worthwhile upgrade over the 22 Ultra. There's only slight improvements over the edging on the sides, the processor, the Snapdragon processor, which we don't normally have in the UK. So that alone for me, isn't a good enough reason, but it's hard to justify if you're spending that much money. Anyway, we'll do that later down the line once I spend a bit more time with the phone, but today we're going to look at some cases. So first up, we have the Ultra Hybrid from Spigen, or is it Spigen? I don't know, I always forget how to pronounce it, but I've been buying cases from these guys for years, and they never disappoint. They've got a bit of a D-brand, teardown inspired look here. It looks really cool. We'll have a look at that shortly. And secondly, we've gone for a Samsung official case, which I don't normally do. This is a silicone case with a strap. So let's have a look, see what they look like. We'll start with the Samsung. We can see here we've got clips inside, and that attaches to the strap. It can come undone if you don't want it on. The main reason I like this case is the silicone texture. Obviously white can be a bit of a gamble. I know silicone cases can get dirty quickly. It's still too early to say whether that's the case, but I'd imagine I've been using wipes on this quite often. But it does feel nice. The grip is really good. Let's have a look, see what it looks like with the phone. I like the idea of a white case on a black phone. It looks really smart. This is what we do. Put our hands in there like so. And I guess when you're holding it, it's going to be quite handy having your fingers inside that grip. A little bit different. I've never really had a grip like this before, but it does feel really nice. You also do have the option to remove the band. All you need to do is unclip there, unclip there. That comes undone. Put the phone back in like so. And there you go, the strap's not there. If these gaps don't bother you, then you're good to go. Me personally, I think I prefer the strap on it though. Put the strap back on and you can see there's two different sizes. I've kept it on the tightest one. I want to put that back on there. I think it does look pretty good. I want to keep that on. So that is the silicone case by Samsung. Next up is the Ultra Hybrid from Spigen or Spigen. Like I said before, it has a bit of an influence on the D brand teardown skins. I've always kind of liked that transparent look behind the phone. It looks nice and tidy. It's not going to be accurate to the phone. I can't imagine it would be the exact screen print of the back of the phone, but it does look cool. Let's see what this looks like then. I do recall this being a tight fit, which could be good, but might be hard to get on and off. Fits really nicely. I'm happy with that. Let's get that in there. That looks really nice. I think the grip's not going to be as good as the previous case, but this is going to be a fancy case really, isn't it? When you go out in the evening, go to the gym, this is the one. Really nice. It has got sufficient grip. It is good enough, definitely. The Samsung case does cost a bit more. It's £30. I think this was about £17. But yeah, there's two cases for you. The Ultra Hybrid by Spigen and the grip case, the silicone grip case by Samsung. Which one of you would you choose for your Galaxy S23 Ultra? I'm going to keep both because I like them. Thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned. I'll do a more in-depth video on the phone. Cheers.